Hi guys, it's me, Michelle Flores again, and I'm back sa another video na naman na gagawin ko ngayon. So as you can see, the title down below. So I'm gonna do how I curl my hair. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko pag nagko-curl ako ng hair. So it's pretty much basic, simple, easy curling tutorial. So wow, next tutorial. But yeah, so if you want to see the whole process and how I will end up the look after, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so unang-una kong gagawin pag nagko-curl ako ng hair ko, so I use heat protecting yung parang pang protect sa hair mo para hindi siya masunog, hindi siya ma-dry pag kinurl mo siya kasi 'di ba mainit yung curler natin. So let's just put this start this on. So ito yung palang curler na gamit ko. So I bought this from Kmart dito sa Australia. So alright, so let's start the spray. So ang gamit ko is Tresemme. Ayan. So it's called Tresemme Heat Timer Protective Spray. Protects against heat damage. So yeah, let's spray. Una kong spray is dito lang muna, banda. Ini-spray ko dito talaga sa ends. Kasi diba ito yung unang nag-split ends. Yung hair ends nyo. So, dyan. Medyo mahaba-haba na yung buhok ko. Ang weird ko maglagay. So, wag nyo sprayin dito kasi ano yan na see this? That one. And then I'll start this one here, this part. So, ano lang, kunting ano lang ng part ng hair mo, like that much. It depends sa inyo naman. It depends. If you want like a wavy or natural wavy look lang, then you can add more. You can add more hair. Pero sa akin kasi I want it medyo tiny yung mga curl. Kasi my hair, if malakihan yung gagawin kong curl, hindi siya naglalast. So this much, I think that's fine. So let's start. So ganyan yung ginagawa ko. And then like that. That's clump. And then leave it for like mga 10 seconds. Or 10 to 15 seconds. It depends kung gaano ka thick yung hair nyo. I have like, ewan ko pa, simula nung pinutol na yung buhok ko, ano na siya, naging thick na siya. I think medyo thick siya, pero it's not really like as in makapal siya. Pero yeah, so I think that's already 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as you can see, hindi ko nilalapit yung yung curler ko doon sa ulo ko kasi hindi siya maano sa mo. To ano na lang, para safety na lang din, 'di ba? Kasi pag naano mo, init kaya nito. And napapansin niyo kinu-curl ko lang yung parang dito lang sa half dito. So hindi lahat-lahat. Okay, okay na to. And then like that. And then pinupush ko siya para yung init at saka yung curl magstay. Ganitong technique nila dun I mean, sa mga nakikita ko. See? It's really curly. Curly na siya. Yan. Ang ganda ng curl, diba? So, I suggest leave it like 10 to 15 seconds. Yun yung ano dun. Oh my god, bouncy-bouncy ng hair. Char, ganda naman. I-finish natin yung mamaya Depende tapos. Alright guys, so gagawin ko another one. Ito. This one. Remember, dapat hindi di kapalan yung buhok na i-curl nyo. Yung tamang-tama lang to, para mag-curl siyang ganyan, di ba? So, start. Or you can start like outwards. Kasi yung kanina, inwards yon. Yung parang pag ganyan, pag ganon sa loob. So, now naman, let's start outwards na curl. So, ganyan. Ganyan lang. Continue. Tsaka careful lang sa kamay nyo kasi mainit, diba? Ayan. So, leave it for 10 to 15 seconds.
Ayan, so, as you can see, dito ko lang siya banda i-stop. Kasi pag nilapit mo pa siya dyan, ganun ako nagkakon, hindi ko siya nilalapit talaga sa Pag nagkakon, ganyan lang. Kasi yung iba nagkakon, diba, dito, ganun. This is my way of curling my hair as well, so that's 10, 11, 12, 13. So, ito yung first curl natin. Yes, antay-antay lang. Yan. And then, yeah. That's done. That's 15 seconds. And then, as usual, ganyan. Push. Ganyan. And then, that's the curl there. So, as you can see, iba yung niya. Yes, so that's the curl there. Ito yung ito yung second, ito yung first, ito yung second. So, that's pretty much how I curl my hair. So, ganun lang ka-easy guys. Easy lang siya. Basta ang tip ko, huwag nyo lang siyang i-curl lahat yung hair nyo. Kasi we will make it work later after ko ma-curl lahat to. See, ang bouncy niya. See? Napaka-bouncy niya, look. See, nagbabounce. Alright guys, so I'll just finish the rest of my curl. So yun lang yung how I do my stuff. Pero I'll do the rest off cam, or maybe I'll just keep going. Alright.
Alright guys, I'm done. Natapos ko na lahat. And then sa likod, it took me... hiningan ako. Siguro mga 20 minutes to curl everything. And then, yeah, mahirap i-curl yung dito na sa bandang likod. Kasi hindi mo siya nakikita, tas ganun. Hindi ko napakita sa kanina, pero yes, yan yung pinakamahirap. But then this is the curl that I've done. Ito yon. Pero ipa-finalize ko pa yan. But that's the curl. That's on the other side. And this one's on the other side too. Alright, so yes, ito na yan guys. So easy. It's just, it takes time to curl your hair. Lalo na pag mahaba yung hair mo. it will take a long time. Pero pag ganito lang yung parang ano lang ito, ang tawag dun, meron tawag dun eh. But yeah, yung tamang length lang. So yes, easy lang siya. It took me 20 minutes as I think. Yeah, it took me 20 minutes. So yes, if a final ano ko lang to yung hair ko for the final look, and then I'll be right back. Pero yeah, that's the curl, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sa likod. So you can see naman, para hindi naman ano. So that's the back. I'm not sure if maganda sa likod dapat. So guys, para hindi siya halatang super ano naman yung hair mo, anuhan mo siya, i-comb mo siya using your hands. See? Para hindi siya masyadong halata. Parang normal curl lang siya. So that's the other one. And then this is the other one, the other side. So ginaganon ko lang siya. So see, parang wavy na lang siya. Parang nilulusin up mo yung pagka-curl niya. Kasi pag hindi mo siya ilusin up, parang super halata naman. And you don't want that na parang too much na yung pagka-curl sa hair mo and halata na siya masyado. So yes, I'm done. Oh. So wavy siya, diba? So wavy na siya ngayon. If that's what, ano, kasi parang ayoko nang yung parang super curl siya tapos halata na siya masyado. So that's a look from the back. Alright, yeah guys, ayun na. This is the final look na na-achieve ko for my curl hair. Hindi ko lang alam if you like it or not, but that's the final look. So ito na yun. Wala nang iba pa. So as you can see, curl yan. So it's easy, it's pretty basic. Yun lang yung napakita ko sa inyo kanina. Yan. Ganyan. You can do any style you want. Pag ganyan. So yeah. I don't think bagay sa akin yung curly hair kasi it will make my face more rounder. Yung parang mas nag-round pa siya sa curl hair. But yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if nagustuhan nyo, please like and comment down below kung ano pang gusto nyong ipagawa sa akin. And subscribe na din if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And yeah, so this is like easy quick tutorial for you guys, and I hope you guys like it. And please, if you haven't followed my Instagram is michelleflores_ig, and yeah, follow me there on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye.